so burst bright, the vibrance, your warmth and your brightness, and so sing your freedom as a grace not from God. And I will continue and see in true color as the darkness, oh, the darkness can't live in me. Raise up this champion, raise up this warrior, bring forth the victory as I rest in heaven's peace. I need your guiding voice, restore to me my joy, that I am not alone and God is seen in me. My heart's off to see that nothing is lost. So burst bright, the vibrance, your warmth and your brightness, and so sing your freedom as a grace not from God. And I will continue to see in true color as the darkness, oh, the darkness, oh, the darkness cannot live in me. Come, come, Holy Spirit, rain down showers of gladness, enlighten my eyes to see the beauty all around me. Come, come, Holy Spirit, rain down showers of gladness, enlighten my eyes to see the beauty that's within me. Come, come, Holy Spirit, rain down showers of gladness, enlighten my eyes to see the beauty all around me. Come, Holy Spirit, rain down showers of gladness, enlighten my eyes to see the beauty that's within me. Yeah. Oh, won't you come? Holy Spirit, come. Oh, come. Holy Spirit, rain down showers of gladness, enlighten my eyes to see the beauty that's within me. So burst bright, the vibrance, your warmth and your brightness, and so sing your freedom as a grace not from God. And I will continue to see in true color as the darkness, oh, the darkness, oh, the darkness cannot live in